Hi prospective buyers, welcome to our channel once again. We are very happy to share a newly built 4-bedroom house for sale at Lakeside Estate. The asking price is $220,000. As you can see, it comes with a really spacious compound with some portions left for horticultural activities. Let's go around the building. So that we can appreciate what is behind and beside, between the walls. It is located at Community 8 of Lakeside Estate in a very serene environment. Now let's take a walk through. This is the living area. And that door leads to the kitchen, but it's currently being used to stock construction materials, so it's been locked. Let's go upstairs and check out the rooms. As you can see, there's a lot of natural light in the building. So this is the second living area or family area. Which is on the first floor. And this is the first bedroom, which is en suite. It has its own full bathroom. A standing shower. Let's take a look at the neighborhood. Location, location, location. These are your potential neighbors. This is the second bedroom. And the third bedroom. 2 bedrooms on the first floor share a washroom. This is a shared washroom. And then one is en suite. So let's go up the next floor and see what we have in store. So on this floor we have the primary bedroom or the master bedroom. This is the primary bedroom. And with the closet space. And the washroom. Give us a call on 055 049 6399 or 024